Hello guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about our cleaning kit, and we're going to show you just how tough stains this kit can remove from fabric like this. The stains we're going to be using today is going to be some jam and some ketchup. We're going to make sure to get those stains deep into the seat of the chair. After that, we're going to use the cleaning kit and show how effective this is against these tough stains. It's important to remember that we try and remove the stains as fast as possible as soon as they stain the chair.
In this kit you'll be able to find 100% biodegradable deodorizer, the 100% biodegradable multi-surface cleaner, microfiber cloth and the suede brush. As an example, we'll stain the chair with some ketchup and the jam. First off, wipe the chair off as good as possible, leaving only the stain itself. Then we'll use the 100% biodegradable multi-surface cleaner. Get the foam on the stain and make it so it covers the entire stain. After letting it sit for 5 minutes, you can start rubbing it in. Once this is done, you can use the cloth to wipe it all down. The chair might be wet for a bit after, but let it dry off until it's visibly dry. Finally, once the chair is dry, spray it with deodorizer to neutralize potential smell, leaving it fresh and clean.